Hi everyone, Kyle Nelson with Jelecos. We have spent the last 2.5, 3 years restructuring our company and making sure that our service offerings are ideally focused on how we can help customers solve their technical and business problems by moving their workloads to AWS. We've built 5 very strategic service offerings. That's it. We sell 5 things. What we'd like to do is walk you through those service offerings and figure out how we can work together to align your customers with these specific service offerings to drive additional strategic value. The first is called Jumpstart. Jumpstart has been around for the last 1.5 years, and we've deployed over 25 Jumpstarts to customers in the Midwest. In short, what Jumpstart is a hardened AWS landing zone, complete with a full immersion day for customers so that they understand how to use their new landing zone and how they can deploy workloads into AWS. Number 2 is called Gameplan. That's our cloud strategy initiative. In short, what we do is we work with customers to identify specific workloads that can move to AWS. We help them build and architect a cloud center of excellence and help them truly understand the total cost of ownership and return on investment that they can get from public cloud. The third is Migration Factory. We've actually deployed Migration Factory in multiple customers throughout the Midwest. And in short, after the game plan's done and we've built a very strategic migration roadmap, our team of dedicated associate and professional level certified people actually do the undifferentiated heavy lifting for our customers to move those workloads from plan to execution in AWS. The fourth service offering is our cloud management program. And in short, what that is our managed services and support that we provide for our customers. We also leverage tools like Cloud Checker to help identify technical and cost optimization strategies that our customers can deploy in AWS. The final service offering is our Cloud Enablement Program. And in short, what that is a series of services that we can provide to our customers throughout the life of the engagement. One of those would be a subscription Cloud Center of Excellence program. We are an AWS training reseller, so we provide customized training for our customers. And the third would be well-architected reviews where we can deploy our resources to help identify areas where our customers can leverage their AWS environments in a more strategic manner. We've spent the last 3 years perfecting these service offerings, and we've deployed them to many customers throughout the Midwest. Now we'd like to work with you. So if there are prospects or customers where we can leverage any of the 5 service offerings to drive additional value, we'd love to hear from you.